va qo'shimcha ko'rsatkichlar. Ikkalasi ham vazn toifasiga mos ravishda bir necha daqiqadan keyin sekin-asta chegali yozgi mashqlar o'tkazishni boshlaydi. Yetakchilardan biri dunyoning eng taniqli
Hабиб
oktagonga chiqadi.
UFC4 available now. Play the free trial this weekend and get
Dagiston qo'shig'i ostida u Javier Mendes doimiy murabbiyi UFC'da uni doimiy Javier Mendesga yanada ko'proq bog'landi. Хабиб, Umar hamda Maxachev, Abubakar betob bo'lib qoldi. Shu tariqa Xabibning bitta o'zi 154 markaziy jangiga yetib keldik. Chempionlar ham Geyджini bu tomonlama o'zlar mashinasi Toni Ferguson bilan da'vogarlar jangni yiqitmoqchi. Geyджini hozirgi kunda faoliyati davomida aynan stoykaga moslashgan. Mana shu murabbiyi Trevor Whitmanning 5 raundlik jangi o'tkazdi. To'g'ri yo'naltira olyapti.
Ben Cartlidge, Derek Clearly, and Saldian Herzog. Time! Our three judges scoring this contest at
Lekin bu xalaqit bermaydi. Demak,
and Call of Duty, Black Ops, now!
Qo'shadi. Ana shu energiya chiqqan paytda Bufferning itga bag'ishlab berdi bu jangga. Chempionlik jangi boshlandi. Jang Geyджи va doimiy shikast yetkazadi. Urinadi. Hamma taxmin qildiki, Geyджining imkoniyati birinchi, ikkinchi raundda. Jason Herzog ringda Geyджining xatosidan foydalangan holda ma'lum vaqt saqlanib turishibdi. Yana bitta low kick va bosh qismiga bormadi. Masofani ushlayapti Xabib, lekin shu bilan birgalik Xabib hozircha lekin bosimni kuchaytirdi. Xavfli zarba yo'lladi, yetib bormadi. Bazasi kurash bo'lgan Geyджи takedownlar urinishini hozircha uddaladi bu narsani. Qandaydir bir tavafar og'riqli bo'lganini ko'rishimiz mumkin va mana birinchi bor urinish takedownga. Nurmagomedovdan bosh qismiga jab taraf eta olishini jangdan oldin intervyusida aytib o'tdi. Sezayotgan bo'lsangiz, Xabibdan o'ng qo'lni ham ishga soldi. O'ng qo'lda endi Geyджи oktagon bo'ylab low kick, oyoqni Geyджida tizza. Xabibning jabi unga ancha muammo, harakatini ham murakkabdek tasavvur paydo bo'lyapti yoki chalg'ityapti Xabib uchun, lekin tiklandi. Ketgandek Xabib Nurmagomedov uning faoliyatida bunaqasi endi xavfli yo'naltiryapti Geyджи. Xabib hozir yo'q, takedownga duchor bo'lishga majbur. Go'yoki Xabib o'sha qo'lni to'liq tortayotgandek tasavvur paydo bo'ldi. Mumkin edi highlights Geyджi qilishdi birinchi raundning o'zida. Ketdik. Ichki tomoni hali ko'zga tashlanmadi-yu, tashqi tomon yana chap qo'lda zarbasini statistikaga chalg'ib bo'lmaydi. Jiddiy shishib ketdi oyog'i. Geyджi lekin taslim bo'ladishi mumkin. Uxlab qoldi. Referi kech qoldi. Bo'ldi. Xabib Nurmagomedov 29:0. Uxlab qoldi Geyджi. Kech qoldi referi, chunki siz ham ko'rdingizmi, tapillatdi. Endi yutadi. Mana bunisi endi yutadi deganda hammasi taslim bo'ldi. 2016 to'g'risi birinchi ko'rishim. Emotsiyalar biz qandaydir uxlab qolgan joyidan nazoratdan chiqib ketgan emotsiyalar. Xabib Nurmagomedov mana shu tarixdan joyda faoliyat olib borishidan qat'iy nazar ishon.
So here's the combat sambo master, and according to many, a future UFC champion, the Dagestani Khabib Nurmagomedov. Thus far, perfect 24-0, undefeated in the UFC. And this is just one tough customer. Mean, nasty, has the requisite heart to go with all of those skills. He'll take you down. You'll have a hard time getting up. Joe, this is one tough out at 155 pounds.
This guy has some of the best guard passing in all of mixed martial arts. His technique and the speed of his execution is outstanding.
And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. Both fighters 29 years of age. And they both possess a similar height and reach. And now to get us started, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. When the action begins, our referee in charge, Mario Yamasaki. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. Live from the sold-out Toyota Center in Houston, Texas. It's time! 5 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a kickboxer, holding a professional record of 19 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Justin, the Highlight Geiджи. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a grappler, holding a professional record of 27 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, Hhabib, the Eagle, Nurmagomedov.
All right, I gave instructions to you guys in the locker room. I want you guys to follow my orders at all times, defend yourself at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck.
All right, here we go. I am fired up for this fight. It's been a long time coming, and they're finally going to get after it.
Well, they have cleared out the hardwood. They have made way for the octagon as we get underway here at Toyota Center in Houston, Texas. He is undefeated. He is one of the best pound-for-pound fighters in the world, and what a